ETFinalScore.com has East Texas high school sports covered. And now you can take it with you. Get the latest scores from Friday Night Football, articles and videos. Focus in on Dotney photo galleries and more. So don't miss a thing and get your ETFinalScore.com app today.
The Veterans Court gives the opportunity for a veteran, based on their honorable or general under honorable conditions discharge, assistance where they bumped into the court system somewhere of getting back to productivity, and rather than become incarcerated and a burden to society. They once were productive, and the idea is correct what they've stubbed their toe on and get them back to productivity. And the Veterans Court over the last couple of years has been good. It's a process in change, as we mentioned about the need for some additional ramp up with a veterans justice outreach and things like that. So other than that, it's a very simple process. It's very efficiently implemented by the DA and defense attorneys in the courts, and it is a tool not for everybody. Census of about less than 10 people a year is a target number we're looking for in order to get them back to productivity. What we do here is we have a simple implementation of the Veterans Court, and it goes with verification of the individual's veteran service through verification through the local VA clinic. That doesn't appear that happened in Dallas County. Secondarily is that there is an agreement among all three parties, the defense attorney, the prosecution, meaning the DA, and the judge representing the court, on whether the Veterans Court is applicable in that specific situation. And it doesn't appear that happened. The other thing that's probably most important is that this is a tool available to all the judges, so there's not an emotional attachment with an individual offender or a veteran that's in court, whereas sometimes you're inclined to do that with a drug type court or such, so that it is not personality driven here in Smith County. It is process driven. And it's a matter of checking the box in the process of doing that. So those are the things that are apparent to me that did not happen. Plus, as the value added, is that we have a court-appointed mentor to each case that is recognized by the court as being applicable to the Veterans Court. And we find that creates a dialogue and a relationship to ensure that we have a better success rate. And Dallas County doesn't appear to do that. I think that, and I'm just going to go out on a limb and just say that, I feel for the individuals up there, but I think that what we've done here in Smith County is that we realized that who we are, we took the available resources, we took the available guidance and counsel, and we created and tailored a specific court that fit Smith County. It's not like any other county veterans court, and we intended it that way. We're not dependent on the Veterans Administration. They're a stakeholder to provide information, but they're not the decision or the impetus of whether that we're successful or not in this case. We're successful or not because we follow the process. Mm-hmm. There's one individual who has been instrumental in the court, and that's been Troya Shanahan, and she's not here. Her son's getting married or already married at Fort Bragg, North Carolina, where he's currently serving with the 82nd Airborne. And so she's not here, but if she had been in town, she would have been here.
Okay.
And she's been with us since the very beginning on the Veterans Court. So at minimum, we need to recognize her and give her the respect that's due for that.
Okay.
Actually, John, we got to give her a reward because she initiated the whole process.
Absolutely.
She brought it to our attention.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
And originally, what we fed off of the buffalo model.
Off the what?
The Buffalo model, New York.
Yeah.
That was one of the things.
One of the things we
One of
fed
the
off of
things.
that got us going.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a lot of models to pick from.
Yeah.
And we tailored one that fits Smith
Yeah,
County.
Okay.